Snaptout, man. I'm about to go to hit the club. Some pussy nigga.
You know what I'm saying? And basically, man, I be selling corn like corn. All I do.
In the rise, 159 size. In the club, 10 bottles going pop. In the bedrooms, your panties going dry. How you like it from the back or on top? Welcome to my world, welcome to my world.
You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man. What it big, you know what I'm saying?
Girl, I can stick it in deep.
Back in the hometown, you know what I'm saying? BK all day, you know what it is, man. You motherfuckers.
Tell me how you want it. You gotta let me know. You want it.
He done snap it. And you know we coming to some bullshit.
What up? What up? What up?
Yeah, what up?
Oh, okay. What up?
Giving a shout out to J Jumpoff CP the Nut. I'm with J Jumpoff from Brooklyn.
Break these hoes, break these hoes, take these hoes, break these hoes, shake these hoes, break these hoes, break these hoes, break these hoes, break these hoes.
That's what I do my damn thing, cause pussy slangs. Tell me what you do, not a damn thing, but run.
Y'all like my truck? Yeah, that shit is official. That shit is official. I think y'all old school ass in the back. Get up and we gon' ride out like yo.
Stack a small change, but you there fucking for free. I find it so strange. Money and pussy is the biggest exchange. So now it's 24/7 licking balls for even exchange.